Movie time! We skip the slow scenes and jump straight to the car chase. Boom! That's precisely what this idiom does in your conversations. Hey everyone, this is English with Bruce. If this helps you level up, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Long explanations can lose your audience. In meetings or even at dinner, people want to get to the point quickly. Cut to the chase means skip the small talk or extra details and go straight to the main point. In Korean, you can say 본론으로 들어가다. Business example. We're short on time. Let's cut to the chase. What do you need from the client today? I appreciate the background information, but could we cut to the chase and review the costs and timeline? Everyday example. Okay, cut to the chase. Did you get the job or not? Can we cut to the chase and decide where to eat? I'm starving. Lesson complete. Show some love with a like, subscribe, and the bell, and return Wednesday for our Business Power Phrases episode. See you then.